We're gonna do a little bit of fishing in the koi pond, see if we can catch a monster. We're gonna be using a little bait holder hook, a 15-pound braid. And for bait, we have night crawlers and minnows. All right, we're gonna start off with a minnow. All right, so it's been about a day. We still have bait on this one. Minnow's still doing good. Just gonna let him go in the pond. Hi. You see the line is under this rock, and the drag was set really tight.
There's some bait?
I don't know, I'm about to look in here. There's the minnow. I don't know what we're gonna find under here. Oh, there's mosquitoes everywhere. Hold on, I'm scared to move this rock. Whew. He broke it. He broke the line.
He broke it?
I had him, and he got off. Alright, so the monster did end up taking the bait. I had it on a 15-pound braid line, and it kept pulling sideways on the rocks, and it snapped the line. So we're gonna go a little bit more heavy duty today. We got us some minnows and some backup minnows. I was thinking about getting some gas and pouring it back here and lighting it and see if I can get it to flush out. Let's see if I can find some good thick mono. It's gonna be round number 2. We got a minnow there, one down there. We put a live minnow and 2 more. This time they're gonna all be on iron poles. I think I got about 30-pound mono on there, 30 to 50.
Your hands covered?
I'll close it. I know, close it. I already sprayed. Let me see.
Window coming, was lay down here, right?
Mama, come inside and let's
Okay, lay down here. I think it was a dying, right?
I already
open
told her
the
she was
door.
doing that when we were here. We were like, leave it alone. Are you, Belen?
Dang, did they even take, do you think they took this one off? This one had 2 hooks. This is what we're gonna do so we don't accidentally hook ourselves. Because we don't want to hook ourselves, right?
No.
Belen, it's okay.
You know I've been trying to catch this for 3 days, right? We're about to find out.
But the camera's pointing down, Carlos. No, it's pointing up.
He's strong, man.
Is it that you could tell it's a snake
Yeah.
pulling back though, not the string
Yeah.
stuck somewhere?
I'm sure it's a snake. Yep, see?
I go over there.
He's coming. He's coming. He's fighting right now, but I'm just pulling him slow. But I don't want to pull it too hard or we're going to break it.
Yeah.
I got to be careful. I mean, he's locked in pretty good, but I don't want to break his mouth either. He's right there, so looking at his mouth.
They don't come in. A little bit away. No?
I'm going to let the weight of the pole help me, you know? Like that. That way it's doing most of the work. He's strong. He's holding, but we're gonna let gravity win. He's alive.
Die?
That's big, Carlos.
He's alive.
That is not a baby.
What are you?
I got it. Don't worry about it.
Outside?
Wait, no, hold on. Don't.
Outside.
It's alive. Camera, Carlos.
It is alive.
Let's go back. What do you
Cut scissor. Cut scissor.
Cut it, Carlos.
No, wait. Let's see.
No, over here, cut and leave it alone.
Yeah.
He's barely even moving. He has no strength. Looks like no strength right now. Thank you. How much? Yeah, this one's good. He wasn't even hooked that good. Let's see if he has any strength left. I doubt it.
No, you go to later.
Oh, he's moving. I hear him. He's wiggling. All right, Mama, we got it.
I think one more, still there.
What?
One more there.
We got more bait. They're still alive. I have to fix all these, tie it again, and then put it back. Looks like a good place to let him go. He's still alive. I can hear him moving around in here. All right. And I really don't want to let him go right on the rocks, so we'll kind of let him go up that way. I think it's a good place for it. Got a creek down there, and this is all kind of like swampy land. And whenever it rains, all this kind of floods up. Should be a lot of food to eat down here for him. All right, so we ended up catching the pond monster. And there he goes. I think he's gonna be fine. Bye-bye.